Hey everybody, so today I got a diesel heater to share with you today. I'm actually on the last day where I have to get this done. It was a sample sent over for me to try. I have been wanting to get one. I'm using a little Mr. Buddy at the moment in the trailer, and of course it's not producing quite enough. Also, sorry if the lighting's not that great. It is dark, and I'm using a grow light and this portable photography light. This photography light's actually pretty awesome. If you're interested, it's in the showcase. All right, so this video will be a couple minutes at least. I'm going to show you up close with this. I'm going to show you everything that you get and then show you how to hook it up. Now, because I didn't have everything ready, I'm not going to be able to put it exactly where I want it. What I'm going to do is demonstrate it, and then at a later time I will install it where I actually want it. All right, so this whole shell part comes off. And then inside you're going to find your fuel tank. You're going to have your heater. And then your little pump right here. Here in the front, we're going to have our heat, and this is also a remote Bluetooth option. So we have a controller here, and this controller is supposed to be Bluetooth as well. You're going to want to make sure that is exhausted outside. I'm sorry if it's loud. There's definitely a lot of rain, and I haven't done any of my installation yet. I do have several projects going on here at once right now, and I will have some more videos for some of those too. Like I have a paint sprayer I'm getting ready to do, and I'm going to be wiring in 16 light bars all the way across. All right, this one does come with a hose for your heat. You have your hose for your air intake, which also has this little filter on it. You also want to make sure that these are separate, so your exhaust and your intake are different directions. You don't want to suck in your exhaust and bring it right back. And then we do have our exhaust hose, and this one does have this little muffler. All right, so we need to get some diesel. Is it just me, or have fuel cans gotten ridiculously expensive? All right, so next we got to hook it up to a battery. I got one of these new, I just got this DC house one that's pretty cool. All right, so once we get it hooked up to a battery, we are fired up. Or we got power anyway. It's going to take a moment to get the fuel in there. You can hear it firing up though. Or just a little bit later, we're hitting 300 degrees down here. So this will get hot. Definitely make sure you route this pipe where it's not going to catch anything on fire. All right, so right now, depending on where we're checking, we're getting anywhere from 250 to 300 degrees out of this. So decent amount of heat, a lot of air. I mean, you can hear it coming out. Now, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to install this. I'm debating on either using one of these vents that are built in and having it route out, but then we're going to have to deal with a pipe outwards at times. Or am I going to install it somewhere in a hole and maybe get like a metal flange type thing? All right, so it's pretty easy to set it up. It works pretty well, puts out a ton of air, pretty decent amount of heat. I definitely have some more things that I got to do to get it working like it should. But hopefully this at least gives you an idea if this is something that you want to put in one of your trailers or a barn or whatever it might be. Some people will even strap these to their vehicles and they'll use them for camping and stuff. Now once I start working on the project to get it installed and mounted and everything, I will definitely do some updated videos for anybody that's interested in that. And anybody that has any questions, I'm still learning some stuff about this as well. But if anybody has any questions, I'll try to answer the best I can, especially in follow-up videos. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.